Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am here again your way. My name is Mrs. Joy Kerema. I'm a business and network marketer, sales liberator of Super Life. I am here again your way to talk about my product and my business. I am here to talk on two of our products. As I said, I'm a network marketer of Super Life Company. Now, Super Life Company is a company based in Malaysia, but all their product is being produced in Switzerland. They have 4 products, but I am here to talk about 2 of their amazing products. Amazing product. When I said an amazing product, indeed is really an amazing product. I am a product of their product. It is an amazing. I am here first to talk about STC30, which most people have always seen me talk about. STC30 is an amazing product, a fruit stem cell product, a product that is being extracted from fruit, an amazing product that go to treat or to cure that challenges, that sicknesses that people are passing through. An amazing product that cures almost 31 diseases. Don't just look at it like this. It's a stem cell fruit based product. As most of us know, and to those that doesn't know, our body is being functioned with cells. We have so many cells in our body that some one way or the other they get damaged, some dies, and we does not know. Now, this product helps you to treat your cells in your body. It is not only for those people that are sick. This product also helps you to boost your immune system. It helps you to be strong, for you to attain your daily job, to do your daily activities. It is a product that helps you boost your metabolism. An amazing product that gives you strength. When I say strength, I mean it. And to those people that are having one challenges or the other, I might be opportune to mention very few. But if you are so curious and you want to know more about our product, just go to www.superlifeworld.com. There you will see all that this product work for. It is there. To those people having problem to do with hypertension, that are hypertensive, it helps you, it normalizes it. To those people having problem with diabetes, that are diabetic, it helps them. To those people that are having low blood pressure, that are anemic, that have problem with their iron, it helps you to normalize it. To those people that have joint pain, it is hard for them to turn, to pick things, to walk fast, to be agile. This product helps you. When I say it helps you, it does. I'm a product of this product. It helps a lot. To those people having arthritis, women that are suffering from arthritis, you find out that your body, they are just puffing up. This product helps you. When I mean it helps you, of truth, it really helps you. Now, to those people that are suffering from ulcer, it is hard for you to eat peppery food. It is hard for you to eat hot food. You always want your food cold. This product helps you. This product, when I say it helps you, it helps. It helps because of its healing capacity that is in it. What is the healing capacity? Fruit stem cell product. Fruit, natural fruit, bio fruit, fruit created from God, a plant-based fruit. This is what is inside this product. And to those people that are having hormonal imbalance, now to the ladies that are out there, you are having a lot of challenges with your body system, this product helps you. It helps. In cases of many people that have not gotten into menopause age, but yes, their period, they cannot see it, this product helps. It helps you to see your period regularly. It helps to treat that hormonal imbalance that you are having. To those people that they cannot even count their flu. Sometimes 1 month they see, before you know 2-3 months they won't see. Some will be even guessing they are pregnant, whereas they are not, because their hormones are changing. This product normalizes it. To those people who think that they are into menopause, whereas they are not, this product also help you. It is an amazing product that also go down to treat fibroid. It helps to shrink fibroid. It helps to get away to get ovarian cysts out from your system. An amazing product that has been tested and proven by so many people. Is out there. More than 43 countries have this product already. It's out there. It's an amazing product. This is the product. When you need it, just call me. It is very close to you. Very close to you. STC Super Life Total Care for 30 days. This is an amazing product. I don't like taking much of our time. These are the products. As you can see, my shipping is so fast. It is so fast. To those people who I do business with, they all know me. It is so fast and the price is very convenient. Now, this is an amazing product. I'm going to talk about our other product, which is called SCC15. Now, what does this mean? This means Super Life Colon Care. Now, this is an amazing product which I've never advertised, but now I'm advertising it. An amazing product from Super Life. Now, many people does not know. Now, colon cancer is one of the second cancer in the world. This product, it helps you to clean your colon. People suffering from digestive system, people that their food does not easily digest, they easily belch. It looks as if they want to vomit. This product helps you. It helps a lot to digest your food. And it helps to relax your stomach, your belly. People having problems that are having constipation, it helps them. Now, I go to find out that more than 70% of African women, they suffer from going to the toilet. It's hard for them to excrete. English normal word, is hard for them to go and make caca. Many women just go to the toilet, they are there 30 minutes, they don't come out from the toilet. Why? Because it is hard for it to come out. This product helps you. It helps your colon care. It helps it. It helps you to excrete normal. It helps you. To our sister out there that says they are chubby, they don't want to be chubby, they don't want to be fat. Now the world is discriminating fat. Now this product helps you also to burn your belly fat. It helps you to burn your arms, to burn your thighs. In whichever area you have fat that you want to take out, this product also help you. An amazing product, has been tested, has been proved with NAFDAC number, tested by Obama. It has been proven. An amazing product. As you can see, we have beetroot here, we have green apples, we have aloe vera. An amazing product. Amazing product. When you need it, when you have problem with your digestive system, don't forget to let me know. Don't forget to call me. An amazing product that you will like. Call me when you need one. And in this product, the company also have a business, Super Life business, an amazing business where you don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to stress yourself at all. All you need to do is just for you to come and register. The moment you register, you just bring 2 people along with you. Teach them on how to do it. You don't need to buy product. Product is not shipped to you every month. It is not compulsory. Your own is just to talk about the company. Bring in 2 people and teach them how to bring in another 2 people. And then you will have your steady income coming. An amazing product. If you are interested in the business, just let me know. Because of the product, the business is very easy. I don't wait to tell people about the product. Their brother that have used it is telling them. Their sisters or their parents that have used it is telling them. It's an amazing product. An amazing product. This is the product that I'm saying, that I'm sharing. As you can see, just got mine. An amazing product. You can call me. The shipping is so fast. So fast. So fast. Thank you very much for listening to me. I remain again Mrs. Joy Kerema, always here for you. An amazing testimonies on the air. Many write-up because people are ashamed. They don't want to come out and say, but amazing testimony. You can go to YouTube, check our testimony on Google. Testimonies are there. Are you hypertensive? Are you having low blood pressure? Are you anemic? Are you having problem with your iron? Are you having ammonia imbalance issue? Are you diabetic? Are you having joint pain? Are you rheumatic? Are you having rheumatism? Do you have stroke? Do you have anybody that have stroke? This product helps. It helps you. If you want one, don't forget to call this number that you are seeing on your screen. Just call me or just WhatsApp me. I will get back to you. Thank you very much. I remain again your humble Super Life presenter. In Super Life, we say life is super.